Let's get ready to rumble! Woohoo! It is Friday, it is Friday, it is Friday. Hello, Raw family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope your week went great. All right, we just gonna get into it. You know, Miss O been knocking them out, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm telling you, it's still a struggle though. Yeah, Miss O still been struggling. Not struggling, struggling. You know, to try to get out 5 videos in a week. But anyway, thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to all of my ride or die subscribers. And today, you guys, we're going to do a lemon velvet cake. Yep, not red velvet, lemon velvet. It's really simple, and we're going to kind of make it rustic. You know, it'll be great for your holiday table, and it's also refreshing because we're not going to use a heavy icing on it. So with that being said, choo, choo, choo. Let's get this train on the track, and let's get this lemon velvet cake done. Okay, here we go. First thing you're looking at is eggs. You remember, I'm going to give you the measurements down in the description box. So here I'm just going to do the ingredients. Here we have eggs, we have sugar, we have butter, we have lemon curd. In this bowl here we have flour, baking powder, and salt. In this bowl here we have canola oil. I have a package of Philadelphia cream cheese. In this bowl here, I have lemon zest and lemon extract. And last but not least, we have buttermilk. All right, so you remember the creaming that we usually do for pound cakes. That is what we're going to do for this cake. We're going to add the butter, the sugar, and oil. And we're just going to beat that. I'm using my KitchenAid. We're going to beat that for about 3 minutes. We want it kind of airy and light. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the KitchenAid, and I'll come back and show you what we'll do next. Okay, Royal family. We've beaten this for about 3 minutes. And next what we're going to do, we're going to put 1 egg in at a time. Okay? And just let it go around till you don't see any of the egg yolk. All right? You see that? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's do the last one. And always remember to crack your egg in a separate bowl. Wow, that egg had a pretty yolk. Okay, I'll be right back and I'll show you where we go from here. All right, Royal family. Next, we're going to the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. You have to sift these together, and we're going to alternate the dry with the wet. The dry with the wet. And remember, always measure your liquids in a measuring glass. That way, you will get the right amount. All right? So I'm going to alternate back and forth, then I'll come back. Okay, I've alternated the buttermilk. Now I have the flour. And you just want to go around until it's well incorporated. Then add the buttermilk, then add the flour. Can you see that? Woo, we're almost done with this cake. Okay, you guys, I put the cake batter in 2 9-inch pans lined with parchment paper, and I sprayed some Baker's Joy on the top of the parchment paper. So we're going to put them in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And oh, by the way, I ate some of the raw batter once I got them into the cake pans. Oh my Lord, the batter is delicious, especially with the lemon zest in it. All right, in the oven they're going. All right, Royal Family, here is the cake, the lemon velvet cake. What I did, I took probably a tablespoon of the lemon curd, and I put it in the middle, and then put the other layer on top. So what we're going to do now, in this bowl here, I have cream cheese, lemon curd. I'm gonna get this real smooth, and then we're gonna add the Cool Whip. So when I come back, I will show you the final presentation of this lemon velvet cake. All right, we are almost done. All right, here is the frosting with the cream cheese, the Cool Whip, and the lemon curd. It is so fluffy, you guys. I mean, this is going to be so delicious. All right, I'm getting ready to ice the cake. All right, I'm just piling it on the top, and then we're just gonna let it go down the sides. Can you see that? And it's always good to have a offset spatula knife. That way you can really ice your cakes beautifully. I just wanted you guys to see that. I mean, it is so, I want to say pillowy, if I'm saying that right. All right, I just wanted to show you guys this. Okay, Royal Family, here's the finished presentation of the lemon velvet cake. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my, is all I can say. You guys, this recipe would be great for your holiday table. And the frosting is just so silky and smooth. I want to show you. So let's focus in on the cake. I want you to see this. And I just put some little candied lemon rinds on it. Check this out. I mean, yum, yum. Look at this, you guys. Look at the crumb on that cake. Mmm. Wow. Let me go in again. Yum, yum. I hope it's focusing. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Mrs. O will not be back on until next week. God bless you. Stay safe. And until next week, you guys have a safe one.